Attention CBSE 10th graders, the ultimate last minute revision notes for biology, physics and chemistry are finally here. Concise, effective and exam ready. If you're racing against time, this video is your lifesaver. Don't miss out. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's me Sian, a CBSE 11th grader humanities student. Here, I create study-related content like study vlogs, study routine, study tips, study hacks, and much more for all the viewers and students like you. Last year, I made a biggest mistake in my science board exam, which costed me terrible repercussions. So I don't want you to repeat them. And if you want to watch that experience, then you can watch my video that I have already posted yesterday, and you can access that video with the links that I have kept in the description box as well as in the comment section below. So guys, we are done with the question banks, important topics. Now what is left? अगर आपने ये भी नहीं देखा है, so I'll be giving the links in the description box as well as in the comment section below to all those videos and those PDF files. But now think, what is left? Yes, you got it right. We are left with the last time revision notes. अगर आपने कभी क्विक रिविजन करनी है, so those notes are very helpful. और वो नोट्स मैंने अपने टाइम पर बनाए थे. एंड गाइज, अगर आपने प्रेपरेटरी हॉलीडेज़ में बहुत सारी पढ़ाई करी, सैम्पल पेपर्स करे हैं, थ्रू आउट द ईयर आपने बहुत पढ़ा है, लेकिन अगर आपको कुछ इंपॉर्टेंट डेफिनेशंस, इंपॉर्टेंट फार्मूलाज वगैरह, इंपॉर्टेंट केमिकल इक्वेशंस, if you want everything in one PDF file, then I have given all of those things in one PDF file that is being linked in the description box as well as in the comment section below. Because to boost your preparation, you need to spend time on your last time revision, and last time revision hack के लिए जो मैंने आपके notes बनाए हैं, that are like spot on. They will definitely live up to the mark according to my expectations. And please give me the feedback of those notes that I have provided in the comment section below. And if you're finding any inconvenience or anything, then please comment on below. And I would really appreciate if you would just drop your feedbacks in the comment section below, or just some comments, so that it would be like interactive state of scenario. और गाइस, मैं कमेंट सेक्शन में और भी सारे जो मेरी वीडियोस है और सारे केमिस्ट्री फिजिक्स की सबके लिंक्स वगैरह मैं कमेंट सेक्शन और डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में लिंक कर दूंगा, सो दैट इट वुड बी कन्वीनियंट फॉर यू इफ यू हैवंट वॉच्ड दोज वीडियोस येट. And if you have any further questions, you can ask in the comment section below, and the access to that PDF is being linked in the description box as well as in the comment section, so that it would be convenient for you to just boost up your preparation. If you found this helpful, then comment on below. Also, if you want more such content, then you just have to comment yes. Also, hit that like button so that you can not miss out any further board exam tips. And if you haven't subscribed yet, then please subscribe to my channel. Also hit that bell icon for latest updates. Bye.